Hello, boys and girls. Good evening. Good afternoon. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 19th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Two puzzles are already solved: the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, and we have two puzzles left: the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number. Let me see. 6955. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then let me think. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Let me think. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones. So in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Then, yeah, I need to think. Well, we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.